Good morning. I gotta show you guys, we've had so many rainy days and finally our grapes. Look at this. Those are tiny grapes coming soon. Can you see that, guys? Oh my gosh, mashallah, tabarakallah. I wonder if there's any more. That was I was just opening up the car trunk and I just lifted it like this and looked up and I saw grapes. That is so exciting. Can't wait to get some grapes. That's gonna be really cool. They have us seeded before, but we didn't get the full perfect results from them. It's the rainy season and we love it. So we're gonna go to the farm and do some work. I'm actually taking a bed because we're moving in soon. We got a little bit of touch-ups to do, and we gotta go get manure, of course. So let's go. We found some top grade Camel manure today. So, morning duties, the part of farm work that no one really does. Yes, it's so good. Weeds. The only problem here is some manure comes with really bad weeds or termites. There we go. There's one more. Totally moved in the other day. We brought some gas stove. But first things first, we need to paint this monstrous place and make it our home. This is so funny that the guy used charcoal to write numbers. So, first coat of primer. And I haven't painted in so long. But our farm worker is such a gentleman. He said, I'm gonna do it. So let me just back down a little bit here, know my place. Just setting this stuff up. The second coat. Where did you go? I guess I'm done. Which way? Added some fertilizer, NPK, and then just gonna drop it in. Show me the roots. has changed colors right before our eyes. It's very white now. So we're gonna add our second coat of color. This is our little shady patch. Gonna have, actually this is not Fanta, this is my passion fruit juice that I put in a little bottle for lunch. This has a table. This is what you gotta do. You gotta improvise at the farm life. MashaAllah.
This. We had to put sand on the ground so you don't leave a stain on the floor. There you go. This is the potential new color.
Goodness, that was long. I was like, Mom, you have something on your face. And she's like, you too.
You too. It's called work.
The job is done. Almost done. Not really even close to done, but that's gonna be our happy new home soon, inshallah. Not so bad, eh? This is the new life, if you're here for it. Leave us a like and subscribe. Join the fam. This is my new farm life. It's such a pride and joy to be enjoying your own space and you get to wake up and go do your own farm work. We've been dreaming about this. Okay, hope you guys liked the episode. I don't know how much more content I have for you guys. Aside from farm. Maybe I'll go to the city, we'll see. But I like it out here. Alhamdulillah. See you guys in the next episode.
wax badan baan maqnayn dano annaga naqsaya awgeed hadda ku soo noqonayna shaqadii hadii la yiraa naga suga more vlogs. If you are new, please subscribe, share and like.
Okay, according to Mom, I do have to come back to work and do some more city vlogs for you guys. So catch you in the next episode from downtown Hargeisa.